10 Tampa Bay is your hurricane headquarters. Meteorologist Natalie Ferrari joins us now. Natalie, right now we are keeping an eye on what is now Hurricane Lee.
Within the last hour, Carolina, we have officially upgraded Lee to now a hurricane with maximum sustained wind speeds at 75 miles per hour. And behind Lee, we do have a few disturbances we've been tracking very closely, but none of which are going to be an immediate concern for us at this point in the game. But let's talk about Lee, because again, it just barely made it to that Category 1 storm status, and it is forecast to strengthen as we go through the next several days. It's currently positioned about 1,000 miles just to the east of the Leeward Islands tonight. But look at some of the latest modeling with our latest track. Continuing to drift it to the northwest, now forecast to make it to a major hurricane within the next 24 to 48 hours. So I think it's going to happen as early as tomorrow night, most likely going to be on Friday. When that happens, it is still going to be strengthening with maximum sustained wind speeds upwards of 150 miles per hour over the weekend, and that would make it a Category 4 storm. Models are continuing to want to curve this a little bit closer towards Bermuda, so I'll take you through those future models as well as some changing patterns here at home coming up.
And now is a good time to download our free 10 Tampa Bay app. There you can track the tropics and check the forecast in your neighborhood anytime just by clicking on the weather tab.